Nameservers, also known as NS records, specify which servers your domain name should resolve to. For example, if you're hosting your website with GoDaddy.com, you would use the default name servers provided, ns53.domaincontrol.com and ns54.domaincontrol.com. Since we're going to be hosting our website elsewhere, we'll update the name servers later on in this course. Once your domain name has resolved to the correct web server based on the NS records, the DNS Zone File, administered by your hosting company, provides a set of records that indicate some important information. This includes the primary name servers, or NS records, the IP address of the web server, or the A record, and the mail delivery destination for a domain or subdomain. Since we're not using GoDaddy as our web hosting company, we'll work with configuring our zone file later in this course.